So let's take a look at how you can add countdown timer to your WordPress page or post with Beaver Builder. So what we're going to do is we're going to open pages and find one page where we can add that countdown timer. Okay, so let's open one of the page, sandbox, and this is the empty page where I wish to test this timer. So I'm going to edit that page with Beaver Builder. Now let's wait for top navigation bar for Beaver Builder. Okay, here you see, when you click on that, it will open this list of modules, and I'm going to choose countdown out of that and drop it on page. And here I have to choose the date up to which this countdown works. So let's see, 22 month 3 and year this, so 12 AM. Okay, and time zone, let me choose based on Pacific, or maybe this. Let's go with this. Okay, you can go through and check whichever applies in your case. Okay, so let me go to the closest. Okay, let's see Maldives one. Save it. Okay, once saved, it will show me this counter which is even active in editing mode, and when you click done and publish, it will be available in final changes. So you get the idea how to add countdown timer in WordPress post or page with Beaver Builder.